Hey, good morning everyone. This is a beautiful vehicle. This is the 2019 Jeep Compass Latitude. Just go over some quick options with you. You do have fog lights down there, daytime running lights, nice rims and tires, keyless and passive entry, beautiful interior, nice leather with the cloth inserts. Let's step in here and let's check out some of these features. Over here is your Bluetooth, cruise control. Over here, in the center over here, you can use a digital speedometer, see tire pressure monitor. You do have the Uconnect system, so you can use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's a USB and aux auxiliary right there. Auto dimming mirror. And beautiful panoramic sunroof goes all the way to the back. I'll show you that more in here in a little bit. Lots of space here in the back. Again, beautiful interior. You have cup holders right here. You also have a 3-prong 115 volt and a USB. There's your AC for the back. Nice LED taillights. Push this button. Lots of space here in the back. There's your mats. These seats do fold down almost completely flat. You get a 12 volt right there. You get a tire pressure kit with a funnel and some extra space over here. Let's go and close this. This is a great low vehicle, gets great gas miles. Looking for something to and from work, something to and from college or school, come check this out. If you guys have any questions, need help or anything, come see Megan Lavender here at Beaman Dodge in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. 615-895-5092. Have an awesome day. Take care.